Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we do all the heavy lifting to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have a robot vacuum face-off that promises to be more exciting than a robot wrestling match. On the left, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, the seasoned veteran in the cleaning world. And on the right, the newcomer with a twist, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Who will win the battle of the bots? Stick around to find out. All right, let's start with the category that makes everyone sweat: the price. The Roomba J7 comes in hot at $599. Yep, you heard that right. For that price, it better clean your house and make you breakfast. On the other hand, Kilgone is a budget-friendly $267. It's almost like Kilgone is saying, "Hey, I'll clean your house and still leave you enough cash for a weekend getaway." Next up, let's talk about cleaning features. The Roomba J7 has imprint smart mapping, which means it remembers your house layout better than you do after a few margaritas. It allows you to schedule cleanings for specific rooms and even designate keep-out zones. Think of it as the bouncer of robot vacuums, keeping out the riffraff. Kilgone, on the other hand, is a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo. Yes, you heard it right, vacuum and mop. It's like the overachiever in school who is good at everything. With the 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank, it promises a thorough cleaning while also giving your floors a refreshing mop. It's like a spa day for your floors. Now let's dive into the smart features. The Roomba J7 is equipped with iRobot Genius, which means this little guy automatically starts cleaning when you leave and stops when you come home. It's like having a cleaning ninja that only works in the shadows. Kilgone also brings its A-game with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. Through the TUIA app, you can set cleaning schedules, choose different modes, and even adjust suction power. Plus, it's compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so you can literally tell it to clean while you're binge-watching your favorite show. Talk about living in the future. Now onto battery life and performance. The Roomba J7 has advanced sensors to navigate around furniture and avoid cliffs. It's like the parkour expert of robot vacuums, nimble and precise. Kilgone, however, boasts a 2,600 mAh battery that runs for up to 100 minutes. That's like a feature-length film of non-stop cleaning. It also has 4 cleaning modes and a 360 degrees sensor array for obstacle avoidance. It's like the Swiss Army knife of vacuums. Reviewers praise the iRobot Roomba J7 for its advanced mapping and obstacle recognition features, making it efficient at cleaning around objects without getting stuck. It's highly recommended for hardwood floors and low-pile rugs. On the other hand, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo is celebrated for its ease of use, quiet operation, and dual functionality of vacuuming and mopping. Reviewers appreciate its budget-friendly price and its ability to clean hard-to-reach areas, making it a great investment for busy individuals. So there you have it, folks. The Roomba J7 with its premium features and price tag versus the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo, the budget-friendly multitasker. Which one suits your needs? The choice is yours, but either way, you can't go wrong. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another episode. Let us know in the comments which product you prefer and why. And remember, product links are in the description. Until next time, keep making smart buys.